Hello there guys, this is YouTube is the video dude 709 here. And this is gonna be another weather update. And I'm very sorry I'm not doing this on iMovie. Well, that's just because I'm taking a break from it. But I'm hoping to get to some more weather updates coming very soon. Like, I might do one today or tomorrow. Alright. See this? That's right. Winter storm warning for St. John's and Vin City. Persons near the area should be on the lookout for adverse weather conditions and take necessary safety precautions. Watch for updated statements. Yep. So this is our first winter storm warning for the year. Here we go. Now. Okay. Let's just look at it on my iPod Touch then. Here it is. Here we go. Heavy snow, strong winds, and blowing snow are forecast for Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening. Sunday night, snowfall accumulations of 15 to 25 centimeters are expected by Monday morning. A low pressure system is expected to move off the east coast of the U.S. on Sunday and intensify as it approaches to Newfoundland Sunday night. Snow time heavy of the system is expected to start over southwestern Newfoundland on Sunday afternoon and spread northeastward across the island through the evening. Snowfall accumulation are expected to be in the 15 to 25 centimeters range by Monday for much of the island. Additionally, strong southeasterly winds gusting to 110 kilometers an hour are expected to develop over coastal regions of southern Newfoundland on Sunday evening. In the West area, gusts to 130 kilometers an hour are expected Sunday evening. These strong winds combined with freshly falling snow will produce blowing snow and reduce visibility Sunday night. So as you can see, the special weather statement has ended as of 3:59 p.m. And this is the new warning. So let me just show you guys something here. See this? That's right. We have already had some snow throughout the past couple days. But now we're going to have some more snow. And hopefully it'll be enough for us to run the skidoos. Yep. So as you can see, this is not even much yet. So as you can see, there's snow on the patio. and snow on the grass too. Even snow on the roof of the shed. And there's even snow in the front yard. See all the snow on the grass there? Yep. Is some of the driving in our plowed. So there's a lot of snow there a couple days ago now. So I see the driveway will really need to be plowed by Monday. Alright. So it's out for 18 now. So anyway, so hopefully the school's closed by Monday. Yep. And that'd be pretty awesome. Hey, I found a report on VOCM. Let's see. Let's see here. Some stormy weather is on the way for a good chunk of the island, with the northern peninsula being the only section to be spared entirely. The snow will begin tomorrow afternoon in the southwest and spread throughout by early evening when it reaches the Avalon. The central and eastern regions stand to see the city largest snowfall with approximately much as 30 centimeters, while Avalon and southern Newfoundland can expect to see 20, maybe 25. Wildwires meteorologists for provincial airlines says we will also have to contend with high winds. Yeah. Now, it's hopefully that the schools will be closed on Monday, which will be pretty cool. Yep, and don't worry about that, guys. If I hear that the schools will be closed tomorrow, I'm a news fella now. I post tweets about schools being closed and stuff. Even bad news and good news too. Like I'm gonna put a report on it. It's like on Twitter. I'm gonna put on a report that says that schools around the Avalon and the Avalon Peninsula and the other places are closed. Yep. But it'll be late by the time I send the tweet, because the other news people like at VOCM and Hits FM and lots of the radio stations will have already posted them tweets. But I might be the last one. Yep. Pretty much. Yeah. So pretty much, guys. Well, it's just so I'm hoping to get some updates. Anyway, so anyway, as I was saying, hopefully I'll get some updates of the snow. Yes, and just see how the snow is like and stuff. It's some epic videos will coming soon. So anyway, so I've got to go now. So stay tuned for the weather update coming up today or tomorrow. As we see some more, as I see some more alerts on the weather office. So anyway, I just really hope you guys like this video, and stay tuned for some videos for the snowstorm, and the Christmas videos coming soon. So I guess that'll be all for now. See ya, bye.